The average time spent by construction workers who work on weekends is 5.13 hours over 2 days. Assume the distribution is approximately normal, has standard deviation of 1.8 hours. Find the probability that an individual who works at that trade works fewer than 3.5 hours in a weekend. First question we have to ask is if when it's asking for the probability, that's specifically where we're looking. Are we talking about a single whatever, or are we talking about many whatevers? In this particular problem, it's saying down in probability, find the probability that an individual. That's one individual. So we're going to have the one whatever case. Now that's going to be this one right here. And so let me clear this off a little bit from the previous problem. There we go. Average time spent by construction workers working on the weekend is 5.13 hours. So mean is 5.13. Standard deviation is 1.8 hours. And we're finding a probability that it's less than, 3.5. Oh, excuse me, I knew it was coming. Okay, this is the less than case. That's this first one here. So A is whatever follows your inequality symbol. So A is 3.5. And we're going to be plugging into this formula right here. So equals norm dist A. A is 3.5, comma mean 5.13, comma standard deviation 1.8, comma true. To change that to percent form, you move your decimal point 2 places to the right and then round appropriately. So if we're rounding it to hundredths place, 2 decimal places, it'd be 18.25856, which rounds to 18.26%.